Installing a front operator panel. Insert the front operator panel into the slot. Secure the front operator panel with 2 screws at the front. Connect the cables to the front operator panel. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PMB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Turn the node over so that the bottom side faces up. Use the key to lock the node covers.